Okay, dude. So this video is going to start from the portion where we left last day. I think in the last video I did till this one. Yes, and then now we are going to start from number 10. Most of these sums are very simple because there is no difference between fractions and these operations on rational numbers. Why? So the only difference is that in fractions you get fractions like 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and like this, and in rational numbers you can get the numerator or denominator in integer form like minus 4 by 5, minus 6 by 9, and then you need to deal with it accordingly. Okay, so this is the only difference, and that's why this is means you can do it very easily. Okay, so we will look at some number tens 1, which I have copied down over here, which says that 2 by 3. Yes, I am making a line at the top. 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 1 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. Okay, so this is the thing which we have been asked to solve. The first thing which I am going to do, so here you see a plus sign and then after that a minus sign. Again here you see a plus sign and then after that a minus sign. Again here you see a plus sign and then after that a minus sign. Okay, so first we are going to multiply, like wherever there is a double sign like this, plus and then minus, we are going to multiply this. You know that plus into minus is minus only. Yes or no? So we will put minus signs wherever. So from this thing changes to minus 4 by 5, plus minus 2 by 3 changes to minus 2 by 3, and plus minus 11 by 5 changes to minus 11 by 5. Okay, so now whichever thing has a positive sign we will put that together, and whichever thing has a negative sign we will put that together. Okay, so 2 by 3 and 1, they have a positive sign, so I will put that together. Yes, and minus 4 by 5, minus 2 by 3 and minus 11 by 5 have a negative sign, so I will write them together, minus 4 by 5, minus 2 by 3, minus 11 by 5. Now but I will solve all of this together only. Yes, so I will take the LCM of the denominators and the LCM is 15, and then I will solve it accordingly and get this thing. I will get 10 plus 15. I will get 10 plus 15 minus 12 minus 10 minus 33. Okay, so this is what I will get. Now I will add the plus signs first. 10 plus 15 is 25. I write down 25 over here. Then I need to deal with minus 12, minus 10 and minus 33. So minus 12, minus 10, minus 33. Since the signs are same, we will add it. Yes, so we get 55. So I write down, and since all the three signs are minus, I will write minus 55 over here. So it becomes 25 minus 55 by 15. Yes or no? What is 20? What is 25 minus 55? 25 minus 55 is minus 30. Yes or no? Yes, and in the denominator you have 15. Yes, so what is minus 30 by 15? It is minus 2. Yes, so it is similar, very similar to fractional addition and subtraction. Now we will do this one, minus 3 by 14 minus 5 by 8, which is, I didn't do 10 part 2, I have left it for you. Yes, and then I decided to do 11 part 2, where they are asking us to subtract 5 by 8 from minus 3 by 14. So you know the rule of subtraction, the thing after from you write it first, and then this thing you will write it later. So that is what I did. The thing after from minus 3 by 14, I wrote it in the beginning, and then minus because they have asked us to subtract, and then finally 5 by 8, which was the first thing. Okay, I took a LCM of the denominators and I got minus 12 and minus 35 in the numerator. Minus 12 minus 35, since they have the same sign, we will add it. It becomes 747. Yes, and since both of them have a minus sign before them, the answer also will have a minus sign, so it becomes minus 47 by 56. Okay, now we will move on to the next type of sums, where they ask you to multiply minus 6 by 25 into 50 by 24. Yes, and give the product in standard form. Standard form means nothing, you need to cancel it out to the simplest form. So I solved okay, there was another sum which I missed out. Okay, so here are the sums. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 7. If one of them is 5 by 8, find the other. Wait, have I solved this? Yes. They have said that sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 7. Yes. One of them is minus 5 by 8. So the other one I have taken it as x. So x plus. Why have I written plus? Because they have said that the sum of two rational numbers. So x plus minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 7. Now I will now you know what to. The only thing which I need to explain is that plus into minus is minus. Yes, and then you get x minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 7, and then you know what to do. Yes, and if you don't know what to do, you can see it over here. That's it. And then we come across this sum which asks us to multiply and then represent the answer in standard form. Okay, so I multiply these two. After multiplying and cancelling out, I get minus 1 by 2, and that's it. That's what I need to do. It's just means normal multiplication which I did, where I cancelled out the answer to the lowest terms, and that's it. We are done. Let's look at number 19. Product of two rational numbers is 6. One of them is 8. Find the other. So we will take the other one as x. Yes. Product of two rational numbers is 6 and one of them is 8. So x into 8 is equal to 6. Yes. And x is equal to what? 8 will go to the other side. It will become 6 by 8. And then finally if you cancel out, the answer will be 3 by 4. Yes. That is what I have solved as well over here. X is equal to 3 by 4. Now we will move on to this one, which is a new concept. Find three rational numbers between minus 5 and 8. Okay, so you have two rational numbers right now, minus 5 and 8. What do you need to do? You need to insert three rational numbers between them, between these two. So we will take up this task one by one. Let's insert the first rational number. How will we insert the first rational number? We will do minus 5 plus 8 by 2. Yes, these are the two rational numbers we have. We will add them and then divide it by 2 to get to the rational number in between them. Yes, so after doing minus 5 plus 8 by 2, you get minus 6.5. Wait, sorry dude. This answer is wrong. Oh, this sum is also completely wrong. Why? Because plus 8 and minus 5 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 is the rational number between 5 and 8. Okay, so let me show you this over here. Okay, so this one is wrong. Don't pay attention to this. Yes, so I will show it to you on the blackboard. You have been given two rational numbers. Wait, you have been given two rational numbers, minus 5 and 8. Okay, 1 minute. You have been given two rational numbers, minus 5, 8, and you have been asked to insert three rational numbers in between these two. So we will take it one at a time. We will insert the first rational number, which is, we will add these two, minus 5 plus 8, and we will divide it by 2. The answer is 1.5. So we get our first rational number, and now the structure looks somewhat like this. Minus 5 1.58. Yes, we have inserted our first rational number. Let's insert the second rational number, which we will insert over here in between 5 and 1.5. So I will write minus 5 plus 1.5 by 2. The answer is, what is it? What is minus 5 plus 1.5? So it is 4 and 3.5. Minus 3.5 by 2. What is minus 3.5 by 2? Minus 3.5 by 2 is 2 ones are 7, 1.75. Yes, so the answer is minus 1.75. Yes, now it looks somewhat like this: minus 5 minus 1.75 minus 1.5 and then 8. Okay, now let's insert a, you can choose to insert it anywhere. You can choose to insert it over here, you can choose to insert it over here, you can choose to insert it over here. Yes, anywhere. Let me choose this one. Let me choose these two. Yes, let me insert a rational number by doing 1.5 plus 8 by 2. Yes, so what is minus 1.5 plus 8? So minus 1.5 plus 8 is 7 and then 6.5. So it is positive 6.5. Yes, so sorry, this one again a mistake. This one is not, this one was not minus 1.5, this was plus 1.5. I'm sorry. Yes, because at that time we had got plus 1.5. So 8 plus 1.5 is 9.5. What is 9.5 by 2? 9.5 by 2 is 4.75. Yes, 4.75. So 4.75, you will write it over here. Yes, so in case you don't understand this, reply me back. I'll do it for you again, because here I've made it clumsy first by doing it wrong, and then here there is not much space. In case you don't understand this, then send it to me. Another thing which I wanted to tell is that this thing, there are many ways of solving it. Okay, so this is just one of the ways, and the other ways, if you do, that is by formulas. In that case you will get different answers. Okay, so in case your answer doesn't match, it doesn't mean that your sum is wrong. This method is correct. Okay.